Hello, my name's Calvin. I'm one of the safety inspectors with the Newfoundland and Labrador Regional Mate ROV competition. Let's run through what a safety inspection is going to look like when you come to visit the Marine Institute. Teams will have 3 attempts to pass their safety inspection. You're awarded 10 points for passing an inspection on your first attempt, and 10 for your second, and 10 for your third. If a team fails their third inspection, you will not be permitted to participate in the product demonstration portion of the competition. Now, what should you bring to your safety inspection? Anything that will go up on deck with you during your mission runs. This includes the ROV itself, any surface control stations or laptops that you'll be bringing, tools, including those that aren't actually attached to the ROV itself, any non-ROV devices, such as the vertical profiler. You must also bring supporting documentation, including your team's SIDs, JSEA, and safety inspection sheets. Your System Integration Diagram, or SID, is the first thing that should be presented to your safety inspectors. This is a high-level block diagram, not a circuit diagram. It should show all major components and how they connect. It must be drawn in a CAD software. Your SID should show all powered devices and where their power and signal comes from. It should show where your ROV connects to the mate power supply, and should show the fuse location and its size. Fuse size is determined based on full load amps. This is a measurement you take when your ROV is submerged fully in water and is drawing maximum power. Your fuse size must be the next size up from that maximum current. For Scout class, the maximum fuse size is 15 amps. If your team plans to use pneumatics, you must include them on your SID. No electrical powered compressors are permitted, only hand pumps are allowed. Your inspectors will ask to physically examine your ROV. They will confirm that all components are securely attached to your ROV and will not fall off during flight. Any dangerous components, such as necessary sharp objects or pinch points, are identified or protection is provided. All thrusters must be completely shrouded to avoid somebody accidentally cutting their fingers. Your inspectors will also check that there are no sharp edges or elements of the ROV that could injure somebody or damage the pool surface. Your inspectors will also check for any electrical hazards on your ROV. The tether must be properly strain relieved to the ROV. This means that pulling on the tether, including lifting it, must not pull on any electrical connections. Your ROV should have no exposed motors. There should be no exposed wire or copper on your ROV or tether. And all wiring must be securely fastened to the ROV. Your inspectors will also need to review your surface control box and any control hardware. Not all hazards occur on the ROV itself. The full ROV system, including the topside module, must have a single connection point to the mate power supply. The power connection must use Anderson power pole connectors. The Newfoundland and Labrador Regional will provide these if you do not have them installed already. Your ROV system must include a properly sized fuse within 30 centimeters of the power supply connection. This fuse size, again, is determined by your full load amp calculation, which you showed on your SID. Like your ROV, your topside controls must be built in a neat and workmanlike manner. This means there can be no loose components or unsecured wires. There can also be no exposed wire or bare copper. Again, like your ROV, all wires entering your topside controls must be strain relieved. This means your inspectors should be able to tug on any wires and not strain electrical connections. In addition to your ROV, any additional equipment, such as a non-ROV device, must also pass through safety inspection. Components inside your non-ROV device should be mounted securely. Any non-ROV devices your team plans to bring must be powered from the surface, using a different power supply than the ROV itself. This power supply must be limited to 12 volts DC, 5 amps maximum, and use the Anderson power pole connectors. Your non-ROV device may not include any onboard cameras. Onboard thrusters, however, are allowed. A fuse must be included within 30 centimeters of the power supply. This fuse is limited to 5 amps maximum. Any thrusters on your non-ROV device, like your ROV, must be shrouded. For Scout class, non-ROV devices are limited in height to 50 centimeters and limited in diameter or width to 15 centimeters. And that's it. That's how we run safety inspections at the regional competition. For more details, please review the safety inspection sheet as well as the competition manual for more detailed instructions on how to pass each of these safety criteria.